Okay, Richard's on Brian's computer because
Because?
I don't know why Richard's on Brian's computer.
I don't know why.
So let's go check something out.
Check what out?
The computer that you're on.
Uh-huh.
See, there's the background, guys.
Uh-huh.
Need computer that he's got.
Mm-hmm.
That who bring that here?
What?
Who bring this computer in?
Oh, I did.
The Dell Dimension 8200.
Mm-hmm.
Never had that computer before.
You never did.
And I need a Dell Dimension computer.
Do you?
Yeah, like that one.
And why do you need one?
Because you sold it to the customer, the Dell Dimension 3000.
Uh-huh. So why do you need one? Uh-huh.
Because there's a yellow note on top of my computer upstairs.
Uh-huh.
That you were going to sell it.
Uh-huh. So why do you need one?
Oh, no, she didn't make my chair wet,
What?
did she?
Yeah. Hey, running all over the place.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, my God.
That's disgusting. You heard?